Hello and welcome to the 2016 SMPTE elections. Today we have Paul Stechly. Paul is running for candidacy of Executive Vice President for SMPTE. How are you, Paul?
I'm very good, thanks.
Well, thank you very much for being with us, sir. Paul, if you would, please briefly introduce yourself.
So my name is Paul Stechly. I own, along with my siblings, and run a company called Applied Electronics, which has offices throughout Canada. I was literally born into the broadcast business. My father started the company in December of 1958, the same month I was born. And I've been involved in the business since 1983 and been involved running it since 1985.
Paul, why are you the right person for this job?
So I've built a successful business over the 34 years of my full-time career. I know all aspects of a business organization in terms of finances, sales and marketing, personnel management, and more important, team building and management team building.
Okay, please share your SMPTE experience and how the society has benefited from your participation.
So like many in the SMPTE board, I started in the local section, doing the first 2 years as a section manager, 2 years as secretary treasurer, 2 years as the section chair, and 2 years as the past chair. I moved on almost immediately after that into on the board of governors, and then was 4 years on the board of governors, and then was now 5 years on the executive committee, total 9 years. I was 3 years as the membership vice president. I'm now in my second year as the finance vice president. In membership vice president, I was able to oversee the reorganization of many of the section structure. I participated in the operation manuals, and I came in at a time when we were experiencing a lot of growth, and finally SMPTE started to see a lot of renewed growth in both corporate and individual memberships. As finance VP, I've been able to bring a lot of my business experience to new forms of financial analysis and being able to view the society more in terms of a business.
So as a candidate for SMPTE executive office, I'm sure you have goals that you'd like to accomplish should you be elected. What would those be?
So we've been fortunate enough in SMPTE, under the guidance of our executive director, Barbara Lang, to see a lot of growth in the home office and the home office structure. I think that a lot of what we're going to see in the next century is continued growth in SMPTE. But one goal I have is the pace of technology now is moving so much quicker in the media and entertainment business as than any other time in our history. I think the standards process needs to be augmented and accelerated, and we need to give the standards process new tools to keep up with the pace of technology.
Excellent. Paul, and you just mentioned that that was your goal, but do you have another goal that you believe the society should work towards? And if elected, what would your plans be to accomplish that goal?
Well, we're not such a small entity anymore. We're becoming a big business. And I think as we expand into other sectors of the market, the structure of SMPTE is going to have to evolve to keep up with its growth in the next century. So I think my business expertise can be significant in contributing to the structure of SMPTE needed to grow in the next century.
Thanks, Paul. Again, Paul Stechly, running for candidacy of Executive Vice President at SMPTE. Have a great day.
Thanks very much.